Okay, Amy, here's a video for you since you're the one that tagged me and you want to know what's in my refrigerator. Here you go. We've got some water, we've got tuna, we've got cottage cheese, seafood salad, and in here we've got some shakes. There's chocolate Medifast shakes, fat-free milk, pickles, vitamin water, apple juice, more pickles, and International Delight sugar-free French vanilla. In here you're going to find some cheese, some hot dogs, and some cooked ham. On this shelf you're going to see some mixed fruit, country spread, some leftovers, and applesauce. And here we've got some Yoplait kids yogurt, more leftovers, spaghettis, corn, and some eggs. And here you're going to see some carrots and oranges, an apple, and an avocado. Oops. Over here you're going to see some tuna. I like these tuna creations, they're really good. I use those for lunch a lot. Herb, smoked, big smoked, more herb and garlic. Okay, I also use these little ham and Swiss and turkey and cheddar crackers for lunch. We've got some sugar-free Jell-O and some sugar-free pudding. Okay, on the door we've got some pecani sauce, olives, jalapeno peppers. This is dressing, light sun dried tomatoes dressing. Some marinade here in the back. We've got balsamic vinaigrette dressing and some more balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Barbecue sauce, jelly. This one's mine. It's the sugar-free orange marmalade. Some rice. We've got some ranch dressing, mustard, hot sauce, Walden Farms creamy bacon dressing, mustard, more olives, some more barbecue sauce, some salad spritzers, and sweet and sour sauce. Down here we've got some ketchup, we've got some new ketchup, we've got some old ketchup, we've got some light Miracle Whip mayonnaise, light zesty Italian dressing, we've got some mustard, some more balsamic vinaigrette dressing, more fat-free Italian dressing, roasted red pepper dressing, and 3 cheese ranch. Okay, that is what I have in my refrigerator. My freezer, I've got, okay, this is just trash. We just throw oil and stuff in here. So we freeze it so we'll throw it away later. In here you're going to see some frozen turkey that's got taco sauce in it. When I was on the Medifast plan, I would use these in the soups and in taco salads. So this is turkey with taco sauce, and I usually would make about 10 of these out of a either, I think it was 2 pounds or something. I would make a little stash in there. Okay, we've got a pizza. We've got some corn dogs. We've got my ice. Look at these guys. These are so cute. If you don't have these, you need these for your water bottles. Ice for the water bottles. And here we have some waffles and some banquet meals, Swedish meatballs, and fish stick meal. And in the back there are some chicken strips, something for my kids that they like to eat, chicken strips. Okay. Down here we have some fajitas, chicken thighs seasoned for fajitas, which are too spicy for me to eat now. Also have some chicken breast pesto seasoned, some more chicken, more corn dogs, cheese sticks, which I bought for me, but I haven't tried them yet, sausage and buns for my kids, some chicken breast nuggets for my kids, here, salmon fillets and creamy dill sauce, that's mine. Some more fish, it's garlic herb pollock. And here's another, oh, this is an omelet, sausage and cheese omelet. I haven't tried that yet. Here is some ground beef, some chicken breast, and some tater tots, some tilapia, and here I have some stir-fry vegetables and some French toast sticks that my kids love to eat. And on the door we've got some toaster strudels that my kids do not like, so they're still there. We've got some frozen orange juice, some mixed vegetables, more frozen orange juice, and sugar-free pops, and more sugar-free pops, and those are mine. Okay guys, that's it, my fridge and freezer. And I will announce who I will be tagging next, so thanks for watching.